Let's talk about the Line 6 Pod Express looper function. All right, first we're going to find the tone that we like. Get our settings the way we want them to be. All right, I kind of like it clean, but then I can use my volume control to dirty it up a little bit. We're good. Now we're going to turn this delay knob right here all the way around, and you see the lights turn red. Now this is a one knob, one button looper. It's the on button right here. So when we push this, it'll begin to record. So it starts back over with my loop. You hear my loop going, and I can play over top of that. So I push twice, it stops. All right. I hold, it deletes it. All right, so we can start again. So I didn't like that take very much, so let's try again. All right, there we go. We're going again. All right, so top of the make overdubs. We hit it one time. All right, cool. Now we can keep going. All this going on that we can fill over top of. But I don't like that take. I don't like how it turned out. I hold. That whole add-on loop goes away. Alright. Now you can also change your tones here. Say I want to add a little more dirt to that. Maybe I want to add some modulation to it. Just kick up some reverb. Alright, now let's get some. And that's it. If we want to delete that loop, gone. Okay, personally, I think they kind of missed the boat here just a little bit. You've got two buttons, but it's a one-button looper. They could have used it, made it a two-button looper really easily, and I think they should have. They definitely should have. This second button, it doesn't do anything because the delay doesn't work while you're playing. I guess it could be, you know, tapping the modulation, but I think they could have really used a 2-button looper, would have been a lot better, you know. But other than that, it's a really responsive looper, and it does pretty good. I mean, there's a simple 1-button looper that's just an added feature. Can't go wrong. It's got the ring that tracks the progress of the loop to let you know when you need to come in and things. I like it. It's pretty good. All in all, you know, for $179, this is definitely a buy. And listen, you can call Musician's Friend like I do and get 10, sometimes 15% off of this already ridiculously low price for this thing. So anyway, thanks for watching the videos. I appreciate it. I'm going to try to do more here soon.